Hi, I'm Will Means, the president of Champion. At Champion, we make commercial dishwashers and are experts in sanitization. What we wanted to do in these really difficult times was help our restaurants and bars gain the confidence of all their patrons back. That is why we set out to create signage and a movement to let people know that these places are doing more than the average to really take care of sanitization. Here's what we're doing in our local market.
All right, well, my name is Richard Patella, and I'm a manager here at Vincenzo's Italian Restaurant. We've been in business since 1964, and these past few months have been a little different take on how we normally do things. We aren't getting as many folks coming as we used to, but we're glad for all the folks who were able to come in and get some takeout, some delivery. We're certainly looking forward to opening our dining room back up again. This whole time we've been using a Champion dishwasher to make sure everything was clean and sanitized as we had before, and we will continue to do after. We're happy to partner with Champion and get this movement started called #ChampionProtected, where you can see all about how dishes get sanitized and cleaned so we can protect our customers. And we've got a sticker we're going to put on the window, and all you got to do is scan the QR code or go to #ChampionProtected and see for yourself how we're going to protect you and all our customers going forward.
We invite you to learn more about our safe, high-temperature sanitization and join us making this world a safer, cleaner place to be. Thank you.